In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the region on Microsoft Outlook. Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. In this guide, I will walk you through a simple way to adjust your region settings so that your email and calendar display information in the correct format based on your preferred location. These settings are important because they affect how dates, times, and other formats appear across your account, helping you stay organized and avoid confusion when managing your schedule or messages. Taking a few moments to set this correctly can significantly improve your overall experience when using your Outlook account. Additionally, setting the correct region helps ensure that your meeting times align properly with your local time zone, reducing scheduling errors when working with people in different locations. It also improves consistency across your calendar view and email timestamps. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer or in your web browser. Once it loads, look toward the upper right area of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open a panel where you can access different customization options for your account and personalize how your mailbox behaves. Inside the Settings panel, navigate to the General section, then select Language and Time. This area contains the regional configuration tools that control how your Outlook account displays information such as time formats, date styles, and language preferences. Within this section, locate the region or country format option. Click the drop-down menu and choose your preferred region. Once selected, Outlook will automatically update the way it displays dates, including the order of day, month, and year, as well as switching between different time formats depending on your choice. After making your selection, save the changes to apply the new settings. The system may refresh or reload briefly to ensure everything updates correctly across your account. This helps ensure that your calendar events, emails, and timestamps all reflect your new regional format consistently. It is also important to remember that changing your region may affect other connected Microsoft services, and in some cases, you may need to sign out and sign back in for the updates to fully apply, especially in managed or organizational accounts. And that is how you can successfully adjust your region settings in Microsoft Outlook, allowing you to customize your experience for better accuracy and convenience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell